Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete all Snapchat messages easily. If you're using Snapchat and you want to easily delete Snapchat message, let's see how can you do this. First of all, just open your Snapchat app and here just go to chat section and here you must have to select the chat which you want to delete. Let's say I'm going to delete this one, just keep a long press on it. Then tap on clear chat and notification settings. Then tap on clear from chat feed and here just tap on clear. In this way you can easily clear any chat from your chats feed. Here's the second way. Just open your file in the top left corner. Then select the gear option in the top right corner. From here just scroll to the end and you will get clear conversation option. Just tap on it and here just select the conversation or the chat which you want to delete. Here's just tap on this cross icon, just tap on it and then tap on clear, then tap on the option and then tap on clear. In this way you can easily delete all of your chats easily on your Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.